This is the VESA setup I purchased. You got plenty of settings. You got a setting there, you got another setting there, you got a setting there, and you have another setting there. There's enough, like there's enough height on the main support, so I'm pretty much like probably what, like 8 fingers out, and I still got probably another 12 fingers to go up if I wanted to. Okay, I'm super happy. The setup is good, it's easy. You probably don't even have to read the manual to set this thing up. I was worried about this clamp, right? But once you set it up, this thing does not seem that's gonna hold. But look at this. This is so thick over here, and the thread, it's good. So trust me. Look at this. You can move the table, and that won't even move. That was my concern. So I think this brand is solid. For the price, can't get better. I don't think so. When you move it, yes, you shake the monitors a little bit, but you don't shake the monitors when you're using them. You just set them and let them be. Once you get your preferred setup, like I like mine to be perfect. Like I try to get them, you know, like as perfect as possible. And once I do that, I come back here and use Allen. So there's an Allen sitting there. There's another one here somewhere. There's another one here. There's another one here, and there's another one here. So once you do that, you can lock them, and it's gonna prevent you from moving. So, like I said, I like mine to be, you know, perfectly aligned. So buy it. It's a good for the budget. For the money, it's good.
It's great. It's very solid. There's no drag. I purposely have mine on the desk, but it does hold the 32-inch monitor perfectly fine. And the vertical mount is just awesome. So definitely recommend.
The two main times terrestrial